Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to my channel 𝒕𝒉𝒐𝒕 by Mansi. Mung beans are considered topmost in weight loss diet as they are low in calories, have moderate protein content and are easily digestible. I prefer giving this recipe for breakfast in most of my clients' meal plan as it is a sumptuous meal to start a day and will provide you with sufficient energy for your busy mornings till lunchtime. You can use any sprouted beans for this recipe. It's also an easy recipe and can be made very quickly if you do some prepping up a night before. Come on now, let's start with the recipe without wasting any time. First we'll need to cook the sprouts. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and add turmeric powder and asafoetida. Add the sprouts and saute. Sprouting and cooking beans and legumes makes them light on the stomach. The protein is made easily available to digest. Cover with lid and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Sprinkle some water if you feel it's dry. The vitamins, especially the B complex ones, multiplies by 4 to 5 times when you sprout the seeds. When the beans are soft and can be pressed by the finger, add salt and garam masala powder. Saute for 2 minutes. Again let it steam for 5 minutes so the spices will get absorbed. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. I have a ready paste here made from coriander, ginger garlic, green chili and red chili powder in my fridge. So I am adding this. You can add the spices of your own choice. I have this small weighing scale bought from Amazon. I am going to measure the atta now. I am taking 20 gram of 𝒕𝒉𝒐𝒕 atta which is made from millets and 30 gram of wheat flour. Adding 100 gram of sprouts to this. Add the paste and salt. Mix everything together and grind this in a mixer. Take it out in a bowl. Sprinkle some water and knead the dough. You need to be careful while adding the water as the dough may be already a little bit moist. So add very little water at a time. Check the softness and add water if needed. Rest it for a while. Now make tennis ball size of balls from the dough. Sprinkle some flour and roll it with the rolling pin. The corners might break, so you will need to roll very carefully and slowly. I could make total 4 parathas from this dough. I have kept a girdle or a tawa on a stove to heat. Place the paratha on the girdle. Turn once and apply some ghee on the top. Now turn it over and apply half a teaspoon of ghee on the other side too. Take out from the girdle once done. Place it in a serving dish. Cover to keep them soft. We'll make a raita to go with this paratha. Take curd in a bowl. Beat the curd in a smooth paste. Add pudina leaves and coriander leaves. I'm adding some chopped onions and chopped cucumber here. Mix it together. Add jeera powder. Crush some black pepper. Add salt according to your taste. Cut a chili and mix together. That's it. The raita is ready. This goes perfectly with the paratha. Your healthy breakfast is ready. You can have this for a dinner as well. If you like this recipe, comment below. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the update. Thank you and take care of yourself. We'll meet again on Saturday with a traditional recipe.